Would they ever make weapons?
Who knew? Well, the blacksmith might make something for the militia, but things like swords and blades, they're made by dedicated sword and bladesmiths.
Oh.
But the blacksmith is the only one who knows how to work iron within the village. So it doesn't matter if you're the best carpenter, stonemason, or tailor within the world. You still need to go to the blacksmith for your tools. And this meant that should you upset him, next time he'll just say no. You're not doing it. And soon enough, you won't be able to continue with your craft.
Yeah.
And this was the power that the blacksmith was holding within the village. But there was another reason why you wouldn't want to upset him. And this was because the average Tudor did not understand what was going on here. They saw the fire, they saw the blacksmith has made that his servant and uses it to bend iron to his will. As far as they're concerned, the blacksmith is a sorcerer. And some went so far as to say he had sold his soul to the devil in order to do his craft. And this belief really went deep, to the point in fact, that should someone be ill within the village and the doctor and priest be unable to help, you could try taking them to the blacksmith. And the blacksmith would lie them out on his anvil and he would axe out hammering the illness from their body.
Really?
Now, whether he believed this works or not is another matter altogether, but I'm pretty sure if you pay him to do it, he's going to do it for you anyway. But yes, there are records of someone with a broken arm coming to the blacksmith, laying it out, and the blacksmith, he doesn't actually hammer the arm, he acts it out. But hey, if the blacksmith can make two separate pieces of metal stick together just by using the heat of the forge, surely he can do the same thing for you. Now, saying that, the blacksmith might not have believed it, but there was something certainly he did believe, and that was he was involved with sorcery. At this time, the blacksmith does not know the science behind what he does. He learns through ritual and process, and because of this, he gets a bit worried actually. He's concerned as to the state of his immortal soul. So what you get is the blacksmith ends up working alongside the parish priest in a penitent role, helping out at the church, doing different jobs for them. Now for the priest, he ultimately doesn't mind too much what the reasonings of the blacksmith is. He's more concerned with what he's getting out of this relationship. And he is getting quite a lot. He gains someone who naturally is very strong, so can help move items around the church. Very well educated, so can help with the administration of the parish. But perhaps most importantly, he gains an ally who the local population are genuinely afraid of. So, if you happen to owe money to the church and you're not paying up, they will send the blacksmith back as an involuntary debt collector. And trust me, you won't say no to a devil-worshipping strong man. So he ends up with all these jobs around the community, and perhaps my favourite actually has to be when the blacksmith operates as the village dentist. Aye, indeed. Now, you'll probably be able to guess what I'm going to say, but at this time, there is a gentleman called a barber surgeon. As the name suggests, forerunner of the barber and the surgeon. He will cut your hair. He will also operate on you.
Oh my word.
Hopefully not at the same time. But he will tell you that at the end of each of your teeth, you have a tooth worm. Now we've all seen it. It is the root of your tooth. The Tudors, they believe it to be a little worm. And when you have a cavity, this is the tooth worm burrowing its way to the top to steal some of your food as you eat. Now, the barber surgeon, he has a special tool to deal with this. It is a hollow bronze tube with a steel spike running through it. He will heat the spike to red hot on the fire, place the tube over the burrow of the tooth worm, and then lance it. Now, I won't lie. You may feel some discomfort from that. But afterwards, you won't feel a thing from that tooth again. He has killed the tooth worm.
Oh, the nerve.
In modern terms, he has cauterized the nerve. But he has also cauterized the blood supply. So 2 weeks later, that tooth is actually going to fall out. But he knows this, and he will return. And he will bring with him a pocket of teeth he's collected from the battlefields of Europe. And he will fit you a new tooth. Now, where does the blacksmith fall in all this? Simply put, the barber surgeon and the services that he provides are very expensive. So if you cannot afford the barber surgeon, you can come to your trusted village blacksmith. And for but a penny, he will get you drunk, he will sit you on his anvil, and it is no less subtle than boot in chest, tongs in mouth. And there's some brilliant wood cuttings depicting the Tudor blacksmith straining away on some poor, unfortunate soul who has opted for this treatment. He has the strength and the tools to deal with such a request. All you have to do is survive the blood loss, the shock, and most likely the infection that will follow. If you do this, you will have saved yourself a fair few pennies, which can be the difference between eating tonight or not. Now, I should note, and I do provide this service, should anyone require. And I know it works, because as soon as I mention it, everybody's teeth magically heal. So it must be the sorcery of the blacksmith at work, I say. Now, if we have no volunteers for this, I will say, please do ask any questions you have. If you take anything away from today about blacksmithing, let it be this. In the 21st century, blacksmiths are not farriers. We do not make horseshoes, we do not shoe horses, and in fact we have a nice friendly rivalry between blacksmiths and farriers. Should you wish to insult a 21st century blacksmith, by all means call him a farrier and see how far you get with it. But again, if you have any questions, please do ask away.
So you make, so 21st century blacksmiths make,
Except shoe horses.
Except horseshoes.
oh, except horseshoes,
Yeah.
yeah.
So we will do anything. I know blacksmiths who specialise in making vintage car parts, because of course the
Oh,
factories
right.
no
Yes,
longer
they
make
are.
them. There is a blacksmith who lives on the last remaining steam-powered canal boat in England, the Empress. And he lives on there because he is there ready to repair it should it break and make the new parts. But really is anything. Myself, I am also a trained bladesmith. I supply reenactors fairly often, on top of artistic blacksmithing, as you see. And that is our focus. We are artist blacksmiths these days.
Do you love your job?
Absolutely. Ever since doing it, I can't imagine doing anything else.
Yeah.
Now, myself, I run my own blacksmithing business. So it is good fun. Hard work, and when it gets hot, yeah, maybe not, but you get used to it.
So the origin of the name Smith, is it mostly just from blacksmiths?
Smith comes from the ancient or old German word smith, to work, and black is the fact that the metal we use is black. Now, of course, if I'm working gold, I'm a goldsmith, copper, coppersmith. Silversmith. If I'm a white smith, I'm working things like pewter and tin and the likes. I'm working in white metals. So it's not relative to how dirty we are.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
May I ask what the time is if anyone has one of those modern sundials?
3:45.
3:45, thank you.
Thank you.